do? We're gonna make a little kind of medium-sized chicken pot pie. This is one of the ones where I'm buying everything store-bought and building it and cooking it, and it tastes like it's an old family recipe. So we've got a couple players here we got to work on. Number one, puff pastry. Take a little flour, both sides, because we're going to roll this puff pastry out. We're also going to use this puff pastry as the bottom crust too. So I'll show you some tricks to do that. Some flour on this. Let's roll it out. Anybody got any good jokes while I'm doing this? Now a little pro tip. I sprayed the rolling pin with my baking pan so it shouldn't stick. So I'm moving my chicken out of the way. Let me move the pan out of the way. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to try and connect this here. Grab a knife. Move this over here in reserve. Okay, look at this. This is a very nice collectible Wagner. I thank my friends in Tennessee for this. We're using a Pam. Flour and oil, just slightly. What we're going to do is I want it to reach the top all the way around. What do you guys think so far? No one's going to know. Now, we've got our oven set to 375. I'm going to put this burger crust in here. I don't really want the bottom crust to puff. Now, when you pull these things out, these puff pastries, if they're golden brown and they puff up but they start to go back down, it means you didn't cook it long enough. Okay, so here we go. 10 minutes, 375. Be right back. Okay, let's put the chicken mixture in here. Like I said, I got a little problem with the sides, but I'm going to use the chicken mixture to help me out with it. Do you see how this is kind of falling down because I didn't have the right tool? I was improvising. Me? Improvising? Get out of town. Look, it's getting good. Getting close. And I'm hungry. So see, I got it reaching around pretty good. Papa, how do you come up with this stuff? I don't know. It's a curse. Here we go. See how this works? Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm kind of building the sides up here with the trim. Need a little more over here. Try and make it look normal. Looks pretty good. So now here's what we do. We give it some holes. We're going to take an egg wash, which is a little bit of water, about a half a teaspoon and 1 egg. Crush the top. Into the oven, baby. Maybe 20 minutes, we'll see. Look at what Papa's got here. Chicken pot pie with all off-the-shelf ingredients. Look at, I take a bite, but it's bubbling, but I promise you, I'm looking forward to this. Thanks for tuning in. Check us out on all the social sites, BigPapaSmokers.com, Cooking with Big Papa, Big Papa YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and check out Griddle with Big Papa on Facebook. Adios.